What is the Forest app?
The Forest is a popular mobile app designed to help you stay focused and avoid distractions. When you want to concentrate, you plant a virtual tree. If you stay off your phone, your tree grows. If you leave the app to check other things, the tree withers. This unique system makes study sessions more engaging and productive.
How Forest blocks distractions.
Forest helps you resist the urge to use your phone by making focus feel rewarding. When you start a session, the app discourages you from switching to other apps or checking notifications. The visual growth of your virtual forest motivates you to keep going and builds positive study habits over time.
Setting up Forest for studying.
Begin by opening Forest and setting your preferred focus time, commonly 25 or 50 minutes for studying. You can choose your tree type, adjust sounds, and set up a whitelist to allow only essential apps during sessions. These settings help create an effective, customized environment that keeps distractions at bay.
Strategies for effective study sessions.
To make the most of Forest, pair your sessions with proven techniques like the Pomodoro method. 25 minutes of focused study followed by short breaks. Use Forest's break timer and statistics to track your progress. Slowly increase your focus time as you build your concentration skills and grow your virtual forest.
Extra motivation, real trees and achievements.
Forest goes beyond the app screen by letting you spend earned coins to plant real trees through its partnership with tree planting organizations. Unlock achievements and compete with friends for more fun and motivation. This real-world impact and a thriving digital forest can make study time feel even more rewarding.